So, number one is disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Lahat na ipapakita ko dito, it's all my personal analysis sa market, my personal take. Wala akong masyadong fundamental analysis. I don't go into fundamentals. So, any idea na ilalagay ko dito, it's all up to the trader to be accountable for their trades. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Ganun lang naman talaga sa trade. That there's always just an if this, then that. So right now, we're gonna go into analysis. Ano ba nangyari last week for crypto? So this is a very popular trend of trading sa Asia, sa Pilipinas. More so, perpetual futures ng crypto market. We have futures market dito sa US. I'm a US-based trader. And may mga perpetual futures sa Pilipinas or sa Asia na ang tinatrade nila hindi nag-expire yung contract. So it's really geared for active and day traders or swing traders. So it's all up to you. Every trade has an inherent risk. So just be aware of that. For every buyer, there's always one seller. So if you have a position open, ibig sabihin nun, you're taking positions from other people or other people are taking your positions. It's just how trades work. Kaya nga trade ang tawag eh. So Bitcoin has been slow. This is BTC, Bitcoin. It's been slow. Most of the coins are in a range. So Bitcoin has been in range for the past couple of weeks since September of 2022, September 15. It's been playing in a range. Number one is the bottom range na na-create niya noong June. Bottom range price is 17,593.2. Currently, it's playing on a range ng resistance area niya which is 20,528.5. News-wise, wala naman masyadong ginagawang crypto even after news. So here, itong day na to nakakatawa to, which is October 13. Personally, para sa akin, nakakatawa siya. Ang nangyari dyan, nagkaroon ng reporting and it dropped. Everything dropped. And then all of a sudden, merong sobrang influential na tao na nag-tweet. I didn't catch it until the next day na nag-tweet siya about Bitcoin going up to 20,000. So it stopped the drop ng crypto from Bitcoin reaching 18,000, almost breaching yung support area, which is the last line of support. June lows, 17,593.2. Inangat niya ng inangat yung market, almost hitting the 20,000 mark na tinweet niya. That was Elon Musk. Personally, nakakatuwa yung mga tweet ni Elon. Pero my personal take is he's a CEO ng Tesla. He's a CEO of SpaceX. He's the owner of SpaceX. Investment-wise, would I listen to him? Yes, I would listen to him. Pero I need to know more detail. So if you don't know me yet, I'm Brian. I'm part of the Hunters Group, and we're a group that mentors people. We're a group that teaches how we do trades. And my personal trading way is retracement trading. Okay? Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, retracement trading is a way na naghihintay ka for markets to reach certain prices. Okay? Certain prices and then you get entry. The easiest way to get to do in a trade is to get entry. The hardest is to be patient. So, right now, anong ginagawa ni crypto? Maraming tao ang nawawalan ng pera currently kasi if you look at the range, ng Bitcoin. O anong idea ng mga tao? There's always gonna be an uptrend or a downtrend. Ngayon na nasa sideways tayo and people keep on buying with the idea na aangat yung price, or the idea if they're shorting na bababa yung price. Ang problema doon is nasa middle tayo ng range. Ibig sabihin yan, until the market shows us na may breakout breakout towards the top or towards the bottom, there's no clear trend. So anytime nabibili ka sa gitna and it goes up, it's bound to go down again. So maglalaro ang market sa range na to, and it's gonna go something similar to this. Sa range trading, ang maganda is to buy high, sell low. Sorry. So buy low, sell high. Okay? Or sell high, buy low. Depende sa style ng trading na ginagamit. There's a way to trade ranges. Kailangan lang maging patient tayo. My personal take ng mga areas na kailangan i-break ng Bitcoin for better buying. If you want to swing trade, meaning you're gonna hold for days and days or months or weeks, I want to see crypto or Bitcoin. It depends per coin. So we're gonna go over the three main coins na tingin ko nagko-control ng market ng crypto. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. So Bitcoin, I need it break past 20528.5 for a better buying opportunity. If it breaks below 17593.2, that just proves continued strength in selling. You have to be able to look at the daily time frame, and you have to be able to look at the weekly time frame kung trader ka. Kasi that's gonna give you a better idea ng big picture na ginagawa ng markets. If you're only looking at small time frames kasi tinitignan mo yung setup mo, you're probably gonna get trapped. And yung mga trap na yon, it's essential para sa mga whales and institutions. Lagi nyo sinasabi yung mga big orders, yung mga whales. Pero ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ng mga whales? If they have 1 million orders in a coin or any market, ang kailangan nila, if they have 1 million orders of buying, ang kailangan nila is 1 million orders of selling. Ibig sabihin, they're gonna hunt for stop losses to the downside. Okay? They're gonna hunt for stop losses sa baba kasi nag-aabang sila. They want to be able to fill yung mga orders nila, and 1 million orders is not a small thing. Kaya nga whales ang tawag sa kanila kasi they order a lot. They order big. Ngayon, paano gagawin natin yan? We wait. We wait to see kung nasaan ba talaga yung direction. Doesn't mean na hindi tayo pwede mag-trade in a smaller time frame. Just personally for me, I would like to trade again, buy low, sell high sa range na to. So this is my Fibonacci. I have a setting ng decision matrix ko. It's 33% each. Yan ang low and high ko. So I'm okay buying Bitcoin for a daily income, an hourly income, meaning in and out. If it goes to the lower 30% portion of this range. I'm okay shorting if it goes above. If it creates a trend, an uptrend or a downtrend sa middle range, I'm okay following that trend. So at this time, this is more of a muscle thing kasi I always do trade ideas. Hindi ko naman sinasadya, nalagay ko na lang dito talaga. This is a buy idea para sa Bitcoin. I can probably refine it further, pero that at the moment is an idea. So that's a buying idea, 18443.1 as an entry. Stop loss is around 18354.6. Again, this is suggestive as far as stop losses. Sa mga nakakaalam ng mga trading habits ko, my stop losses as an idea is suggestive, but always have a stop loss. If hindi nyo gusto yung ganyang ka-tight na range or ganyang ka-tight na area, it's definitely up to the trader. So Bitcoin analysis. Daily time frame. Saan siya pupunta? Nasa gitna pa siya. Sa gitna pa siya. There's a lot of buying happening dito sa area na to. Definitely a lot of buying sa area na to. That's why itong candle na to noong October 13, that's a very bullish candle. That's a hammer. Yung wick na yan, that tells me na lahat ng drop na nangyari dyan, sinalo ng buying and it went up. So here's the bad part. It already happened and it's already being tested. October 21, Friday, it's tested once. Meaning, the next time it drops, it has a better probability of breaking that buying section sa daily time frame. So, we're still in a probability, a high possibility na mag-break siya below 17,593.2. Of course, flip side, it could also happen sa top. The reason behind that is it's all of its resistance and ilang beses na rin natetest ng resistance na to. So it's only a matter of time before we break out of this consolidation. I can't tell you when. I can't tell you what catalyst is gonna force that to happen. If someone's saying something like that, then good for them. Pero personally, I want to see the market show me kung anong kailangan ko makita before I do a trade, before I'm more confident sa mga trade ideas na binibigay ko or sa mga trades na tinitake ko. Anyway, after ng crypto, we're gonna go over ForEx and we're gonna go over sa stock market. And if we still have time, I'm gonna try and keep this to an hour. If we still have time, I'm gonna show the US futures kung ano ba talaga yung tinatrade ko dito sa US. For my primary trading style. So Ethereum, let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum is nice. Out of the three coins na ipapakita ko, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, Ethereum for me has the better strength of buying. Kasi at this point in time, Ethereum has an uptrend na pwede niya pang i-honor. This whole thing is an uptrend for Ethereum. This is turning into Ethereum support, this whole area. So this is one way to look at Ethereum's movement right now. It's hitting an uptrend area, and to break that area, kailangan niya pa mag-dig lower into 1005. Pero as we can see, every selling has been absorbed by Ethereum from this area going forward. So strength and selling, kung babagsak ba ng babagsak to, there's room to drop. Here's the good part. If you're a buyer from this area, there's room to climb. If you're doing trend trading, pwede siyang umakyat sa taas. And to prove this uptrend, ang kailangan niya i-break is 2028.27. 2028.27 ang price. Resistance areas for Ethereum. First is this. I look at this as a bull trap. At some point, I would like to see Ethereum break up, touch this area, and then break down again. Kailangan i-absorb ang selling na nangyari dito. This selling is quite strong. The reason behind that is itong mga resistances na to na break ng selling area na ito. So yan yung mga resistance areas na na-break ng selling area na to. That's why the first time na na-touch yung area na yan, it dropped significantly. And now it's shying away from that area. Pero really, I'm looking at this as a bull trap. Bull traps are kapag umakyat siya dyan, babagsak siya ulit. So, ano nangyari kay Ethereum? It's pretty much the same sa Bitcoin. October 13, it dropped dahil sa report. If I'm not mistaken, that was a report ng CPI. And then it climbed up. Nagkaroon ng mini spike. And most likely, it's because of the same reason sa crypto. Elon Musk sent out a tweet na Bitcoin to 20,000. So nadamay lahat ng market, nagkaroon ng impulse, nagkaroon ng reaction from a very influential person's tweet. Pero at this time, we're playing at a range. Again, we have room to drop, we have room to climb. Unfortunately, we're in the middle. So be careful kapag nagta-trade sa range. If you're itching for a trade and you're doing a lower time frame analysis, you're itching for a trade, just be aware that we're in the middle of a range sa daily time frame. So it could go up and down in just a matter of the same day. Kaya mas maganda ang short-term trades at this time kaysa sa long-term trades. Kasi wala pa talaga siyang pinapakita as far as nasaan yung breakout niya sa daily time frame. If you're looking at the lower time frame, Ethereum, I would prefer it here sa lower time frame. So somewhere around this area, 1223.88. Now, sa mga quick fashion trades, like a nearest term trade, of course, may mga areas tayo for that. Pero again, wala tayong clear trend, so I would really take this as a confirmation trade. Meaning the moment na pumunta siya sa area na to, this whole area is actually a buying area. So the moment na pumunta siya sa area na to, I would do a stop market order instead of a limit order for safety reasons. Kasi sa crypto, this is the interesting part sa crypto. ForEx closes Friday and opens on Sunday. Or sa Philippine time, it would be Monday, 6 a.m. Dito sa US, it's 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, nag-open sa Sunday ang ForEx. Crypto doesn't close. Pero on a weekend, ano bang meron sa weekday na wala sa weekend? Closed ang mga banks sa weekends. So, volume-wise, trading-wise, medyo mahina ang weekend setups. That's my personal take. Again, personal look. At the moment, we're still trading on the Sunday session. And we still have about 12 hours to go sa Sunday session. Pero ang usual na nakikita ko as a habit ng market is they would invalidate the Saturday and Sunday session and connect it to the Friday session and then continue from there. Okay, Ethereum buying section is this area around 1281. Personal idea yan, personal take. I do 15-minute trading, 15-minute as far as time frames para sa mga intraday trades ko. Shorting idea would be around 1327.36. If I were to put a stop loss, maybe around 1336. That's Ethereum. Long term, again, Ethereum has the uptrend. Opposed to BNB and BTC. Ethereum has the uptrend, although meron din siyang downtrend na fin-form. Oops, sorry. Ayan na tayo. This is the near term. Ito yung near term. If you look up, if you look out more, if you make it, if you're more into in-depth analysis, you can zoom out and you can see yung buong market, anong ginagawa ng buong market. It's a strong downtrend. Ito yung sinasabi nila na bear cycle. Now, bear cycle, ibig sabihin ba hindi tayo mamimili? Just keep in mind yung sinasabi ni Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors of our current time. Siya yung isa sa mga kapag may sinabi siya na bibilin, definitely there's only a handful of people that's gonna oppose it. Meron siyang quote na sinasabi niya, buy when everyone is fearful, sell when everyone is greedy. It's a good time to buy. Pero, of course, be tactical. You don't put all your money in one position. What if it keeps on dropping? Sa bear market, ang kailangan mo isipin is if you're gonna buy and you're gonna hold for the long term, number one, buy something na alam mo magtatagal, na alam mo hindi mawawala all of a sudden. So, really, what I recommend in buying is sa stock market, hindi sa crypto. My personal take. If you're gonna hold crypto, that's fine. I'm not saying not to do it. I'm just saying my personal take is to buy blue chip stocks for stock market. Now, when it drops, if it drops again, just average down until the cycle breaks and the bull run restarts. And really, the bull run, kapag tinignan nyo sa stock market history, it hasn't ended yet. Ang daming bull, ang daming cycle, ang daming uptrend na pwedeng i-test ng market as it keeps on dropping. And at some point, if that uptrend is true, markets are gonna create new highs. Okay, let's see BNB. BNB is interesting. Ito yung wick test na ginawa for this uptrend. So really, BNB is questionable if it still has an uptrend na tinetest niya or na-test niya na yung uptrend and then na-break na. Pero for simplifying this, let's go with the second one na meron siyang uptrend previously and tinest niya yung uptrend na yun with just a wick on a daily time frame and then binrake niya. So analysis-wise, that's the same thing. Nasa range tayo pero this is hitting more of a selling setup para sa akin. BNB right now is showing me more of a selling setup. At this point in time, kasi kung titignan natin, BNB sa daily time frame, noong October 13, it has not closed above. Ito yung difference ng setups nila. If we do correlation setups, mas maganda yung ginawa dito. Noong October 13 and 14. So this is Bitcoin again. I'm back to Bitcoin. Correlation in analysis. Noong October 13, it went up and yung candle niya, it stopped it from dropping. Okay? BNB didn't do that. So it went up and the candle actually closed below on October 13. October 14 opened and closed below ng October 13 body ng candle. Meaning, mas marami siyang selling na naganap doon. Okay? Pero, In hindsight, it just tested this resistance. And again, same picture, BNB, it's testing this resistance. Sorry, it's testing this support. Maraming buying na nangyari dyan. So it's trying to prop it up. Overall, sideways. BNB tried to do a 4-hour trend at some point. This trend, pataas siya ng pataas and then it broke it. So wala tayong clear trend for BNB. Daily time frame. My personal thought para sa BNB is for it to go here to this area, 250. As long as it holds this area, may magandang buying power tayo. So it could go up. Ang kailangan niyang i-break, ito yung pinakamalapit na break sana na downtrend sa weekly time frame. Ang kailangan niyang i-break to break this weekly downtrend is 337.88. It was close. Ang highest na inabot nito as of August 8 or the week of August 8 was 336.90. It was close. Pero trend-wise, kung nagtatrade kayo ng trend, there's a saying sa trend, the trend is your friend until the bend in the end. Meaning, if you see a trend, especially sa higher time frames, it's gonna keep on doing that. It's gonna keep on trending down until the downtrends break. Sa US market, sobrang gulo kasi ilang beses na nagbe-break ng mga daily downtrend tsaka ng nag-i-start mag-create ng weekly trend. So, it's an interesting time for traders as far as experiences go. I know maraming traders ang nahihirapan na panghihinaan na. Pero if you made money before, that just means you can make it again. Unfortunately, the second is true as well. If you've lost money before, you can lose money again. Now, to prevent the loss of money, you have to have an edge sa market. You have to have an advantage against other traders or against the market. And it's simple. Why should you? Because trading is the highest profitable job out there. If you're investing, that's different. Pero if you're trading, you can consider it as a job, and it's the highest profitable job. I've met a trader before. One of the instructors na nagturo sa akin, he showed me a live trade. Within a week, he made over $30,000 in one trade in a time span of a week. $30,000 is not small. Malaki yun. Yung ibang tao dito, isang taon nila bago kitain yun. So, why would you trade? Because it's another stream of income. You just have to know how. Now, let's move on to ForEx. So, ForEx is interesting para sa akin. The US dollar, again, the US dollar is so strong right now na kapag anything that's trading against the dollar is most likely on a downtrend. This is Euro USD. Ang history ng Euro USD until this year, I've never seen Euro USD go below 1.0. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Euro USD sa Forex? You're buying 1 euro or you're holding 1 euro and ang equivalent niya sa dollar is 98 cents. Noon, euro is stronger in value. If you have 1 euro, if you have 1.16 euro, you'll have $1. Ngayon, if you have 98 cents, you'll have $1. So the dollar value is higher at this time. Nagwawala ang euro. Every time it dips, it went down to 98 cents or 95 cents. and it's still trying to get up. Pero what I've been showing our members kapag dating sa Forex is you trade with the trend. Gaano katindi ang trend ng Forex? Lahat to is a downtrend for Euro USD. This, saan na ba nag-start to? I'm pretty sure it's somewhere here. Okay. So this downtrend has been in effect sa daily time frame since February of 2022 and it kept on dropping. Hindi niya nabe-break yung trend. There's no trend break until this time. And kapag umakyat siya ng umakyat and it broke some prices, Euro USD, it needs to break above, no, not that. So it needs to first break above 1.00507. If it does that, it's gonna show buying strength. That's against this selling section. If it breaks above this, it breaks the downtrend for the daily time frame. Okay, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Depende kung ano yung position mo. If you're long and it breaks above the downtrend, then masaya yan. Imagine if you're short at this time noong February and you never got out. So nakakaalam ng trading ng Forex, this is 1,200 pips. So 1,200 pips. That's a lot. Kasi ang imagine in a daily time frame ang pip count, if you have an entry and a stop loss kapag intraday trader ka, it doesn't even reach 100 pips. Maybe 45, maybe 10, maybe 15, maybe 20. So sa mga lower time frame trading, like let's say ito, if I'm looking to buy in this section, that's 8 pips. So compared sa 1,200 pips, if you're doing a swing trade and you did all this, imagine that. And the same is true. If you catch an uptrend na nag-break sa downtrend, most likely, magta-trend yan pataas ng pataas, Euro USD. So, at this time, recap, downtrend pa rin, anything against the USD. New Zealand versus New Zealand dollar versus USD. It's on a downtrend. AUD USD, it's on a downtrend. Nagkaroon siya ng uptick at some point. That just tells me na nagkakaroon na ng correction ng dollar. So, umihina ng konti ang dollar. That's why nagkaroon siya ng magandang green candle. This probably is Friday. So, close of the week. USD JPY. USD showed weakness. Nag-drop. Okay? So, if you're not looking at anything trading against the dollar, if you're looking at something like Euro JPY, Euro is stronger against the Japan yen. So may uptrend tayo sa Euro JPY. If you go and buy here, personal ideas and buying section ng Euro JPY, daily time frame. Of course, we can refine this, pero ito yung mga buying section na tinitignan ko sa ngayon. I really don't want to spend too much time at this point dito. Catalyst-wise, if I'm looking at catalyst, I'm not looking at tweets or mga ganun. Yes, mga tweet from influencers, it can move the market. Depende sa influencer na magtutweet. Let's say Robert Kiyosaki, nag-i-start siya ng mag-discuss about stocks. He's a real estate guy. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Kapag sinabi niya na aangat ang euro, of course, you protect. Kapag short ka, you protect your position and hang on. Pero kung long ka, tapos sinabi niya yun, then you protect your position and then hang on. So it's all about the plan, the strategy. So ano yung tinitignan natin as far as reports? 6 p.m. today, anything PMI right now, I would say consider it as a red flag. This is Forex Factory. If you look at Forex Factory and you go to their calendars, makikita nyo lahat ng report when it pertains to markets. Anything yellow folder is low impact, meaning low volatility ang expected. It doesn't mean na hindi magkakaroon ng higher volatility. It just means na expected lower volatility. Anything red is definitely going to create volatility, and anything orange has potential to create volatility but not as strong as the red folder. This day, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 a.m. sa Philippine time, flash manufacturing PMI ng Australian dollar. Of course, tomorrow, Monday, October 24, 3 p.m. US PH time, 3 a.m. dito sa US. Lahat ng red, okay? Be aware. It creates waves. Hindi lang to sa Forex. Lalo na kapag USD ang nagre-report. 9:45 a.m. Monday or 9:45 p.m. sa Philippines, Monday. PMI ng USD ng US. So sa mga nakapag-trade na during that time of report ng PMI, you know kung gaano ka-volatile ang mangyayari. So catalyst-wise, I'm looking at reports. And breaking news. Hindi ako nagtitingin ng mga tweets out of nowhere. Kasi sometimes it's just an impulse. Here's something interesting. Nung nagsimula ako mag-trade, si Elon Musk, I never knew Elon Musk until I started trading. Until I started looking at the markets, hindi ko kilala yung mga tao na nasa isip ko ngayon, ng mga influential na tao like Warren Buffett, Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, Donald Trump. Ang alam ko lang kay Donald Trump is billionaire siya. Robert Kiyosaki, mga ganong tao. And yung mga CEOs ng mga companies, ng mga staff na inaaral ko at that time na nag-i-start ako mag-trade. So, sometimes influential people actually get in trouble kapag nagtutweet sila or nagsisend sila ng quote out of nowhere. Like Elon Musk, I believe 2018 or 2019, he started tweeting about his Tesla company stock. 2 beses siyang na-fine. No, actually, isang beses lang yung naaalala ko na na-fine siya ng 20 million. Pero 2 beses siyang napagalitan ng SEC for stock manipulation. So just be careful of that. I'm not saying na hindi totoo yung mga sinasabi nila. I'm just saying that they have their own analysis. It's not a given. Kapag may sinabi sila about crypto, it's more of why are they saying that? You just don't ride it out of nowhere. Just be tactical, be analytical about it. Kung ang tinitingnan natin is technical analysis. Now, actually Euro USD ang main na tinitingnan ko dito eh. USD JPY is fun to watch. Masaya ang NZD JPY. I've touched this isang session ko with our members. As far as pricing goes, please contact Coach Kat or Coach Ken para sa mga ganito. Pero this is fun. NZD JPY. The reason it's fun is because kapag meron ka sa Forex na holding overnight, pwede kang magkaroon ng interest. This is cash. This is money. So dito daily ang interest. Kung bakit masaya ang NZD-JPY, let's go back to Forex Factory. If you scroll down, saan yun? Well, wala siya. It's probably because it's a weekend that we're not seeing. Ayun, there we go. Kala ko mawawala siya. So, NZD-JPY. If you're holding New Zealand dollar, kapag nasa kaliwa yung NZD, you're gonna get an interest rate of 3.50%. Depende sa kung magkano yung hold mo. And JPY is negative 0.10% kung hino-hold mo siya, kung nasa kaliwa siya. Kung nasa kanan siya, you're gonna get positive 0.10%. Don't quote me on this. I personally don't do active income sa Forex. I'm starting to kasi ilalagay namin to as part of the Hunters Group lessons or sharing. Pero NZD-JPY has been on an uptrend. Okay? NZD-JPY has been on an uptrend. And at some point Thursday, I sent out an analysis na sinasabi ko, this is a good buying section. Medyo magulo siyang tignan ngayon. And this is by target 1, target 2. I like targets 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 sa Forex. Okay? This was the before. This is after. So it dropped, and then boom. Climbed up. Fashion, this is 1 day of trading. And then it invalidated the area. So kung ikaw, day trader ka, you did an entry here, and you took profits dito, then you're good. Don't be greedy. Yun yung mahirap sa trading. Don't be greedy. The reason behind that is the market, especially sa intraday trades, the market will do whatever it wants. Pwedeng tama yung idea mo long term, pwedeng tama yung idea mo short term, and then it gets invalidated. So don't be greedy. Ang isa sa mga pinakamagandang lesson na mabibigay ko dito. Mahirap siyang pigilan kasi ang nakikita natin na traders is millions ang pinapakita nila na gains. Thousands, 100,000s. Pero ang masakit kasi sa isip, hindi naman nila sinasabi kung magkano yung at risk nila at that point in time sa trade nila. Hindi nila sinasabi kung magkano yung capital na ginamit nila. Kung meron kayo nakikitang ganong trader, then good. Follow that trader. They're open and they're transparent sa ginagawa nila. Pero yung iba na gusto lang is makahanap kayo ng follow or mahanap kayo as a follower and then pinapakita nila, oh, this is my trade. I did this, I did that. Hindi nila sinasabi kung gaano katagal na nilang ginagawa to. Hindi nila sinasabi kung gaano kalaking losses yung inabot nila bago nila na-reach yung ganong type of trading. Actually, sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, I started trading 2018. Before COVID, ang dami ko na nakita sa markets. Like, nakita ko na yung crude oil na nag-drop to negative territory. Nakita ko na yung mga hype stocks. Favorite ko is Tilray. So, Tilray is trading at $3.36. So, we're moving on to stocks. US stocks primarily, pero ipapakita ko yung mga pick ko for Philippine stocks, which is just 2. So, ngayon, 2. It's Jollibee and Pure Gold. Tilray is a marijuana stock. Nag-start ako nag-trading, ang daming hype about marijuana dahil sa legislation na magiging okay na siya, magiging approved na siya sa iba't ibang states. Pero at that time, 2018 to 2019, it was trading at around $300. was trading at around $300. So ito yung isa sa mga hype stocks na nung sinabi ng mga investors, buy and buy and buy. Pero sa totoo lang, nagbi-build up na sila ng selling order nila sa taas. So from $300, it dropped like crazy. And now, wala pa siyang bangon. $3.36 ang trading ng Tilray. I've seen events like that. I've seen, let's see, crude oil. Crude oil at some point nung 2020, this dropped to a negative territory, negative 40 cents or negative $40 per barrel. So sa futures market ng US, it's contract-wise. Ang kailangan mo muna malaman sa futures market ng US is all of this is a trade for tangible products or deliverable products. Not all of them are tangible. Pero crude oil barrels, sa mga companies na nagtatrade ng oil, ng gas, Shell, Petron, Exxon. So, doon sila kumukuha ng orders. And doon ako nagbe-base ng price ng gas kung kailan ako magpapagas. Kapag nag-drop siya this day, magpapagas ako tomorrow. Ganun yung idea ko sa crude oil. Now, let's look at stocks. Sa stock market sa US, QQQ, SPY, DIA, Russell 2000, hindi ko sinasama sa stock analysis ko. Pero ito yung mga indexes ng stocks na tinitignan ko. QQQ is NASDAQ. NASDAQ is a tech-heavy index para sa stock market. So mga hindi nakakaalam. Pero meron silang, kumbaga mutual funds sila. Ayan, investments and trust mutual funds. Kung ayaw mo mamili ng isang stock lang, buy QQQ. And you're gonna buy into kung ano yung hino-hold nila. Like, meron silang, I think Tesla is in there, Apple, Nvidia. So, tech-heavy industry, QQQ. Right now, it's going down and down. Keeps on dropping. Pero why are you gonna buy? Why would you buy? Because it's down. So ito yung mahirap. Ito yung mahirap tanggapin. Right now that the market is buying sa mga retail traders, ito ang best time to buy. And if it drops more, you buy more. Mahirap tanggapin yun. Pero bakit mo gagawin yun? Kasi retail traders tayo, retail investors tayo, wala tayong capital to be able to move the market na kapag bumili tayo, bigla na lang siyang aangat and bigla niya na lang madidelete yung uptrend niya or yung downtrend niya. Downtrend. So right now, it's a good time to accumulate. Don't go all in, all at once. Pero ang idea kasi sa downtrend, right now, the market is on a downtrend sa daily time frame. QQQ is on a downtrend on a daily time frame. Although at some point, na-break niya to. This actually made me happy at some point. Na-break niya yan. That was a downtrend pivot. Na-break niya. Unfortunately, binrake niya rin yung uptrend pivot niya. So now, current price, meron tayong shorting opportunity dito sa taas around 279.43. Pero as I said, I'm a retail long-term investor or trader sa stock. So QQQ is a good time to buy. Better time if it breaks above 284.18 and it holds an uptrend. So sa downtrend, you average down, meaning you buy now and then if it drops, buy again. Sa uptrend, you average up. Mas mataas yung magiging accrued or mas mataas yung prices na bibilin mo sa uptrend. Here's the reason why you buy at a downtrend. You just have to be tactical about buying. What prices are you buying into and why? Pero as a retail trader or news-wise, may mga nakita akong news or may mga nagsabi sa akin ng news around June or May. May nagsabi sa akin na downtrend ng market, na bear cycle na. That was quite late. Kasi ang bear cycle, ang downtrend, nagpakita ng strength ang downtrend as of January of this year. So, anong mangyayari kapag hinintay natin na masira or ma-break ang bear cycle? This is my personal take. Again, personal take. You don't have to do the same thing I'm doing. You shouldn't do the same thing I'm doing without research and proper insight. So, ano ang mangyayari kapag ang news sinasabi nila tapos na ang bear cycle, bull run na ulit? We're late again. So, yun yung ayoko mangyari. So right now, I'm averaging down on the items that I'm holding. SPY is no different. SPY is S&P 500. There's 500 stocks that S&P 500 holds. And lahat sila blue chip stocks. It's nice. Sa weekly time frame, I plotted this before. Medyo matagal ko na itong pinlot na sabi ko dito magkakaroon ng reaction ang drop na to. So all of this drop. And so far, I've been proven right. Now it's only a matter of time to see if it holds and then it goes up again. Stock market sa US, really sa sobrang daming pera na napapump sa markets ngayon. Bihirang-bihira na sideways lang, dire-diretso, araw-araw. It really breaks quite easily. Mga 1 o 2 linggo, within a month, nababreak ang range. Right now, this is a range for its trading purpose sa S&P 500, pero I can see this breaking easy enough. Actually, this is the closer range. So I can see these prices breaking easy enough maybe next week or Monday dahil sa PMI reporting. Dow Jones, hindi nyo kung hindi nyo naririnig yung mga sinasabi ko like S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones, you need to broaden your market insight. Hindi pwedeng isang asset lang ang tinitignan. I mean, you can, pero really, you need to be able to diversify into multiple assets. Mas maraming account, yes. Mas maraming pera, yes. Pero, ano ba ang goal sa investment? Is to create multiple streams of income. And of course, to preserve the capital. Hindi naman profit eh. In trading, it's not a profit. It's capital preservation. The more you preserve your capital, the more profit you're getting. It's a side effect. Dow Jones has been showing buying strength. A couple of days ago, it's been showing buying strength, which is interesting. Kasi Nasdaq and S&P 500 has been showing selling strength, or at least lahat ng buying is it's trying to invalidate, but Dow Jones has been leading the charge upwards. So DIA ang ginagamit ko. So maraming indexes sa market na pwede mong gawin. DIA ang ginagamit ko kasi it's to me it's more affordable kaysa sa iba pang ano ba yun? DJI? No. merong index ang Dow Jones na nasa 5-digit siya as far as USD. Okay. And I look at gold. This is gold in stock, GLD, Gold Trust. Sa mga nagtatrade ng ForEx for gold, this actually correlates with it. So movement ng gold, if you're selling in stock as far as gold, it's gonna sell off sa ForEx. It's gonna sell off sa futures market ng gold. It's on a downtrend sa weekly time frame, hitting some buying section. Sa daily time frame, it's on a downtrend and it tried to make new lows. It tried to make new lows, pero it failed at this time. So this downtrend is true if it starts to make new lows again, 151. I'll show this in futures kasi mas magandang tingnan sa futures to. So I'm looking at Meta. Hindi na magtatagal dito sa stock. But I'm looking at Meta kung nasaan yung magandang buying opportunity niya. This is Meta. Facebook. Yes, Facebook. Anytime it drops below 120 is a good time to buy. So it's actually trying to reach my buying area. May nakaabang na ako na order for that. I think at like 2 or 3 at this time, and then I'm gonna start adding at some point. I'm looking at Amazon after split. Pinapaglaruan namin tong Amazon after split as far as where to buy. Currently, ang range ng buying namin is nandito sa baba, 106. And then the rest is here, below 100, somewhere below 100. So this section right here, around 96.80. Why would we buy Amazon? It's too big to fail. Isa yan sa mga blue chips. Too big to fail na company. Apple is one. Again, Apple is one. I'm waiting for it to go down $100, $99.96. And then if it breaks below that, $81.96. Netflix. My personal thoughts on Netflix, hindi ako in favor sa Netflix. Just because hindi ako natutuwa sa mga nilalagay nilang shows. Pero it still trades. At the moment, it has a gap. So sa mga hindi nakakalam ng gap, the stock market opens and closes. Hindi siya 24 hours, hindi siya 23 hours. It trades 24 hours pero hindi available sa lahat. That's why meron siyang gaps. It opens at 9:30 a.m. officially. Mga extended hours is 8. And then closes at 4:30 p.m. So sa gitna nun, between 4:30 p.m. hanggang 9:30 a.m., hindi makikita ang movement ng stock by chart. Makikita nyo siya by price. Kung meron kayong positions or meron kayong watch list, makikita nyo yun after hours pricing. Pero hindi nyo siya makikita in chart. There is a way sa futures market. Pero yun yung mga orders na sa ibang way na ginagawa. Personally, I don't know how to do that after 6 p.m. kasi 6 p.m. ang extended hours of trading. So after 6 p.m., I'm not sure how to place those. Most likely whales, most likely banks, most likely institutions na yung nagpa-place ng mga orders na yun. But yeah, Netflix has a gap. Ang gap na yan, nag-drop ng Netflix. So ang idea dyan, as a retracement trader, is the moment na bumalik dyan yung price sa gap na yan, which is above 331.62, it's gonna drop again. I don't know how strong that drop will be. Pero as a retail trader, I just don't like Netflix. It went too high, like 700, and then it started dropping. To me, hindi pa tapos yung drop na to. There's so many areas na pwede niyang i-test to continue this drop. So, to be determined, licensing, yung mga problema nila is yung mga licensed shows. Pero we'll see. They're pretty good as far as kung anong ginagawa nila. Google after split, I like picking this up below $100. Below $100 and ultimately below $95. So they trading wise or Kung saan ko siya talagang gugustuhin pick upin is below 92.38. Microsoft, still on a downtrend, okay? This follows yung first three na pinakita ko. Below 220 would be nice. Pero again, if it starts an uptrend, just look for sections of buying. Actually, that's all the time that I'm gonna spend. I said I'm gonna show gold in futures. Ito yung futures market ng gold. So similar dun sa pinakita ko na stock. Gold is on a downtrend, pretty strong if I may say so. So this is the downtrend ng gold. This pocket right here, I'm not gonna look at it kasi kapag tinignan ko to sa weekly time frame, still on a downtrend. It's cleaner. Tignan. It's hitting a buying section. So weekly time frame, mas malinis siyang tignan. It's hitting a buying section. That's why umaangat siya ng umaangat. Personally, mas gusto kong makita na mag-drop pa ang gold if I'm trading this. So 2-hour time frame, mas gusto ko na mag-create siya ng new lows. So if it breaks down below, I'm gonna start to look for shorting areas here. Pero if it continues on showing me strength in buying, at some point, I'm gonna flip my idea and start looking to buy. Anyway, hanggang doon na lang tayo at this time. Thank you very much. This is the first day of me looking into markets. I'm hoping na makakatulong to sa inyo. If not, well, sorry. If it does help, then congratulations. And thank you. Thank you very much for viewing.